What if I told you what you're looking at here is an emerald? Would you believe me? And why wouldn't you if you didn't believe me? Because, most people, when they think about emeralds, they're thinking about a green, deep, beautiful, dark, medium dark color, a earthy green color, right? That's how they mostly think about emeralds. But what if I told you this stone here is actually a blue emerald? Would you believe me? Well, the reason why I say that is because it's actually made of the same chemical composition as an emerald. The only difference is that this stone is blue and is a gorgeous aquamarine, ocean blue, sky blue color. And what you're looking at here is indeed called an aquamarine gemstone or a bluish emerald. I'm going to go ahead and coin that, okay? And the reason why I say that is because, again, it's made of the same chemical composition as an emerald. An emerald is made of beryllium aluminum silicate. So an emerald as well as an aquamarine is made of the same chemical composition. The only reason why an aquamarine is a bluish beautiful color is because it has a trace of iron in it. And because of that, it changes the colors completely. So if you're looking at a beautiful aquamarine and you're wondering, wow, that's a really, really nice color, it's actually just a bluish cousin to the emerald, if that's another way to put it, okay? So you may be asking me, what's an aquamarine? Well, an aquamarine is just like an emerald. Based on the Mohs scale, the hardness is between a 7.5 to an 8. So it's actually relatively hard. These are gorgeous gemstones, and most aquamarines in the marketplace that's being sold on jewelry, in the jewelry store online, are typically natural aquamarines. There are lab-grown aquamarines, and some people do purchase lab-grown, but because it is relatively inexpensive. It is, obviously it's not cheap. It's definitely going to cost you a little bit of money, but it's definitely much, much, much more affordable than the emerald. And let me go ahead and break down the price points for you. Okay, so if you're in the market for an aquamarine, this episode is for you. Number one, it's basically a blue emerald. Number two, it is just as hard as an emerald. And number three, has a gorgeous bluish sky blue, ocean blue color right here. It's actually quite gorgeous. And let me give you some price points. And the reason why I said earlier that is very, very affordable, or much more affordable than the emerald, even though it's in the emerald family in terms of chemical composition, is because there are different varieties of aquamarine. The price points truly matter, especially in these colored stones, based on the actual color. So the color that you saw here is more of in the in-between, where it goes from, it's not the lowest price points, but it's definitely not the highest price points either, okay? So the highest price points is a little more of a deeper, vivid blue, whereas the one I just showed you is more of a medium blue, and the lower end of the aquamarines is much lighter, where it's almost white. You could barely see the bluish color, okay? So in terms of the price points, as you can see in the chart here, the way it's priced is that the first one is called a commercial grade quality, or a pale quality, which the color is usually a light blue. Is much more common, and believe it or not, the price points can be as low as anywhere between $5 to $80 per carat, and it's great for everyday jewelry. But at the same time, if you're going to purchase anything that's $5 to $10 to $15 to $20 per carat, chances are it's not going to be that pretty. So most people that actually opt for aquamarine typically goes for a step higher than the lower price points or the lower grades. Okay, so the next grade is basically what I just had showed you earlier. Is more of the medium grade, right in between, right? And that price point is just a tad bit more, and that is more of the good to fine quality aquamarines. It's more of the medium to strong blue color, and it's very eye clean. Again, eye clean meaning there are very minimal inclusions in the stone. So when you see it, when you look at the stone, you can actually see a beautiful clear stone. And in this quality, the actual price points is anywhere between $80 to $400 per carat. And it's the most popular for rings, pendants, earrings, necklaces, and set on jewelry. This is the most common aquamarine that's purchased. Now, the highest price point here is the top quality, excellent quality, and it has more of a deep, vivid blue. It has high clarity, and the price point is anywhere between $400 to $1,000 per carat. And this is more of the rare and collector grades. Okay, even if though it's called the collector grades, if you are in the market to purchase a diamond and you're planning on spending anywhere between $400 to $1,000 per carat, then you could obviously purchase an aquamarine if that's a stone that you prefer over a diamond, right? So those are the price points. And so there's some key notes that you want to take away with this is that the color is the biggest price driver. Again, the more blue it is, the more expensive it is. The less blue it is, where it can almost look as a pale white, that's obviously going to be less expensive. It can be anywhere between $5 to $10 to $15 per carat. And again, most people will not buy it because if you're looking for an aquamarine, what you're looking for is a blue color, and if you can barely see the blue, then why would you do it, right? So there you go. This episode is about aquamarines. It is available in lab grown as well, so if you're interested, you could definitely reach out to us. But if you don't know, we do also sell many natural gemstones, such as aquamarines, natural aquamarines. Even though we don't actually talk about it much here at Fire and Brilliance, we do also offer it, and many people actually do purchase natural gemstones from us. So here it is again, two gorgeous, beautiful natural aquamarines, one being a pear-shaped cut, brilliant cut, the other one being an oval, beautiful, brilliant cut. Both of these stones, the pear shape is close to a little above 4.5 carats, and the gorgeous oval is a little above 3 carats, these both being gorgeous, beautiful aquamarines. And if you do like what you see here, make sure you leave a comment below. Let us know if you own an aquamarine, what you love about it, and at the same time, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.